LD 1000 Flyknit. And these things are selling out fast. As a matter of fact, at the present time, these are sold out. But definitely turn your notifications on. You're definitely gonna wanna at least try to get these bad boys, because this is gonna be the shoe of the summer. So you have the synthetic leather, you have the Flyknit right here, and then you have the waffle outer sole. Just exactly how breathable this is. Like, you can see my fingers through here. It's almost like if you never had Flyknit, it's almost like fishnetting almost. At its peak, you're looking at maybe an inch and a half, and that's an overestimate. But you can definitely slip these things off with no hands.